Hello and welcome to LastofAvari's channel and another episode of Avarian Mail. Of course, this pre-recorded footage that you just been watching was actually recorded with my phone since my camera is dead and my phone isn't very good for video recording. I mean 13 megapixels are 13 megapixels, that's Full HD, but it's kinda crappy sensor and not very fast phone, so it's kinda blurry and hopefully looks better than just 5 frames per second, even though it's supposed to be kinda 30, but it doesn't look like 30, at least to my eye. But anyway, so I've got this cool Chinese adapter, this little USB enclosure, which is actually not that little, because it actually can fit both 2.5 inch and 3.5 inch drives, hard drives or SSDs, but in my case I just got for basically free this little hard drive for 500 gigabytes. So it already has some data, and this hard drive has come from a trustworthy source, so obviously I don't want to break this trust that I have as well. So I will delete all this and create just one giant NTFS volume. Just delete it, Russian Windows, because you know I'm in Belarus, and create simple tone or volume, everything, I guess, yeah, virtual gigabytes, just 1000, so that's kinda crappy. And age, well, I guess for now it will do. As you can see, I already have 3 different hard drives, I was just adding them, but this enclosure was like 12 or 13 bucks on AliExpress, or with the registration coupon I got it to this amount, even though this drive, this USB 3.0 SATA enclosure actually was more than that, like it was maybe 50% off, I don't remember, maybe I will find a screenshot, but maybe not. So yeah, just format it and done, and we have our little hard drive and Dropbox, of course. No, thank you, Dropbox. Everything works. Here you can see it is recognized as Lighton Ultra 1 SCSI disk drive. I don't think it has anything to do with Lighton, maybe it's like Lighton controller inside, but yeah, as far as I can see it works. I've connected it to USB 3 port, and I guess we could test its speed by actually going to this hard drive and just give me something else, archives, video, LastofAvari and, for example, one of all the Skyrim episodes, maybe? Or retro gaming? Well, retro gaming is usually not that long, so I guess that's not a terribly good idea. So, yeah, Darksiders. That's what currently running, and one of our last episodes, and copy. Yeah, that's almost drive to drive speed. It's pretty much exactly that, from one mechanical drive to another mechanical drive. When I copy it, it's like 110, maybe 120 megabytes per second. So this drive and this enclosure are working properly. I'm quite happy. It's quite cheap, even cheaper, but a lot slower, of course, when it comes to delivery, but yeah, I can wait. Like, I ordered it 8th this month, and now it's 26, so it's not even 20 days. And on AliExpress, seller was claiming like up to 40 days, so that's basically half of that. Even less, a little bit less than half. So I'm happy, and speed is decent, pretty much as fast as you can have, maybe on some like 10,000 RPM drives. You could have a little bit faster interface, but yeah, I'm not buying that. My computer is already too loud, way too loud for my liking, and maybe at some point I will install SSD, although maybe not in this enclosure. So yeah. That was LastofAvari. This particular enclosure is working well, it's pretty cheap, and China rules. Thank you for watching, and if you like that video, you know what to do, share it somewhere, maybe on social media, tell me your opinions in the comments section, and see you later.